Hi guys, this is part 3 I think. Working on the Chevy 1500 frame swap, and this is, we actually got the body lifted off of the frame, and it's just about ready to pull out. As you can see, I supported the front. I didn't take out the engine or the transmission. I used those ratchet straps and went down underneath the transmission back up to the body of the truck, to the corner in the engine bay, and it worked really good. It lifted the whole engine and transmission up with the body of the truck. This way I didn't have to disconnect my air conditioning, didn't have to touch that at all. And I didn't have to drain the rad and make a big mess of coolant. So yeah, it was way better doing it this way. I do have to let those there. That's the fuel lines. There's a couple little brackets there on the transmission that I had to let go. Those were still attached, and those have to come down with the body, or with the frame, because they obviously go back to the fuel tank, so, and all that's coming out. So, but yeah, this was a really easy way to do it. And there's the truck sitting up, the frame's out from underneath it, and that's the engine hoist I used to support the front. Worked really well. Pretty neat way of doing it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.